Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Vivo Y73. On the front, you can see the phone's name and at the back, specifications of the product. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick start guide, product technical information, and important information and warranty card. Next, we have silicone back cover which will protect your phone. Here we have Vivo Y73 comes with a bezel-less display. The phone has a 13 megapixel primary camera setup at the back with Vivo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks premium. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger with fast charging facility. In addition, the company also provides a 3.5mm jack earphone. So guys, that's all you get inside the Vivo Y73 box. Thank you so much for watching this.